From Halloween through mid-February, scammers get busy. Most people think of stolen credit cards or hacked bank accounts, but there's something far more serious that thieves are after right now. They're targeting your homes. Title theft is one of the fastest growing real estate crimes, and it's shocking how simple it can be for someone to take your property, at least on paper. Property records are public, which means anyone can see what you paid for your home and what it's worth today. If you bought your home for, say, $200,000 and similar homes are now selling for around $500,000, scammers see that equity as easy money. They use that information to forge a deed, fake your signature, add a counterfeit notary seal, and record it with the county. So on paper, it looks like they now own your home. They're still making payments, but legally, your name might already be gone from the title. Most people don't realize what happens until they get a foreclosure notice or find out they're in default on a loan they never took out. Why is this such a big problem? Title theft is growing fast all over the country because property values are high and public access to records makes it easy for criminals to target homeowners. Once a scammer files a fake deed, they can now take out loans, sell your home, or even rent it out while you're still paying the mortgage. By the time the real owners find out, it's already a mess. Many homeowners assume their title insurance will protect them, but it won't cover anything after the purchase. Standard policies only cover problems that exist before you bought your home. So once someone forges your records, a new deed, that's a new transaction and it's not covered. Getting your home back can take months of legal work, and you'll have to hire an attorney in some cases. Contacting and working with your local and state authorities can be such a headache. So what should you do to protect yourself? I always tell homeowners, stay proactive. Prevention is the best defense, and it only takes a few small steps to stay protected. Number 1, check with your county recorder's office. Some counties now have property alert systems. These free programs send you a notification if anyone records a new document in your name. It's quick to sign and gives you an early warning. 2, watch for signs of trouble. If your mortgage statements stop arriving or if you start receiving mail from someone else, don't ignore it. Letters from unfamiliar lenders are often a red flag. These can be signs that your property information has been changed. Number 3, work only with verified professionals. Always confirm the licenses of agents or lenders you work with. You can verify credentials directly through your state offices. Review your property records regularly. It only takes a few minutes to visit your county's online portal and make sure your title still lists your name. The simple habit can save you from major headaches later on. Remember, you probably don't know the people involved. When something like this happens, it's usually a surprise to the actual homeowner. This transfer has happened and very unsettling. Title theft can cost you everything if it goes unnoticed, but awareness and early action can stop your home from being fraudulently sold to someone else or loans taken out on them. Take a few minutes today to check your property records, sign up for your county's alert program, and make sure the right people are watching your title. If you'd like help finding out what options are available where you live, reach out to me. I can connect you with trusted title professionals who can help you get the right protection on your home and give you peace of mind. You've worked hard for your home. Don't let anyone steal it with a forged signature.